I know the only person in industry who keeps helping me and motivating is only you. So
Hey Naveen,
yeah.
hi. Welcome to Antbobbles Design Society. Glad to have you. So just to let my audience know, can you just tell me something about your company and what your profile is? Yeah.
Hi Anand, this is Naveen. So I'm basically from Tamil Nadu. We have a startup which named as Stunxt. Around 20 members are working there. In my company now I'm hiring. But the problem with the design team, which I don't have a perfect design team as you. So I need your support. So I know you are already taking ownership on the product. That's why even though you are stuck with some other works, you are spending some time for me to get all this.
So what I'm going to do basically, I'm going to break down this project into small phases, which can be easily comprehensible by them. And I'm just going to
Okay.
forward it with my Dan Bobbers community. They are like the hungry bats. Just feed them and they are just looking for the creativity.
We need to create an application which both web and mobile based application which helps students to improve their entire career level from scratch to their job performance. So basically we have our old design. So I don't want that design to repeat in the new design. We need an entirely new design. It's not a problem for me. You can take inspiration from any of the product, but that need to be aligned with all my requirements there. It's mostly going to be a social media platform. It need to be more creative. So everything need, if people seen that, they have to understand. Yeah, I have seen that. It's okay. They will compare that it's copied from that. It's okay. That's not my problem. But it will be okay to users to access everything. The accessibility should be very user friendly. That's one thing. And this is my just a get up. And now I will slightly explain what's the product and what other things need to be there. One thing is entire concept which we have in LinkedIn. That's one thing we need to focus on. I will give you the list of things, the futures list, where you can easily understand what are the things that's going to be placed there. Example, there will be feeds page, there will be event page, there will be network page, there will be job page, and there will be a dashboard, and there will be a profile page and everything. So other than this, we am going to include an podcast future where a students or a persons can listen podcast through our application itself. And another thing is mentorship. We are going to provide a mentorship through our application itself. So if they want to get an need a mentorship, they can contact us. Then and the most important thing is courses. Users can learn their courses through our application. It's there in LinkedIn, but they have kept it as a LinkedIn learning. It's a separate platform. But I don't want it to be a separate platform. It should be somehow it will take to a separate page, but it need to be interrelated with how feeds and networks, all other pages look it. That courses also need to be interlinked similarly. That's my focus. Then there should be message. That should be a message. This is an overview, but there are some inter things which are going to be more futuristic, and there other than this there are some points where you guys need to put your own ideas there. That should not looks like similar other products. That's need to be looks something different like that. But that things are already in some of the platforms, but we are going to be doing it in a different way. So that's why the design also need to be in a creative way. That's one thing. Um, and the main thing is this is completely going to be focused on students. So this is true. They are used to do. They are most of the students are not even now used to do in LinkedIn. They are useful in WhatsApp and Instagram, Facebook, those things only. They are not that much comfortable in LinkedIn also. But we need to normalize those things which they can easily access our application, not like LinkedIn, but like Instagram and WhatsApp. It should be that much similar thing. So this is the overall concept. Other than thing, that's something I told that. The another feature is what we have to going to do is we are going to connect everything in a single leaderboard concept. There is a leaderboard that will be commonly visible for everyone. If they go into that leaderboard, we will usually set them a goals. There will be predefined goals that are already set for all the students. If he is a first year student, he is an engineering first year student, he have a set of goals already set for him. If he is a medical student, there will be a separate set of goals. If he is an already employed and he is working in a company, he also will have some set of goals. If they completed that each set of goals, they will get a reward points. Okay. So let us explain for students how it works. Okay. There will be a college. We will onboard a college. Let's take there will be a college name X and another college Y. Okay. I will go and approach both the colleges to onboard my application. Initially, the entire onboarding will be done from college level only. I'm the person who representative from Stunxt go to college, and I will talk to college that management, and I will tell that these are all the offers we are going to give you. If your students logged, if you onboarded, and if you allow your students to onboard in our application, they will get these benefits. Like they can complete 2 courses, they can attend free events, even though it's a paid, they can attend a free events, and we will help them in improving their career guidance. Everything will be given through mentorship. We will give 1 hour of free mentorship, and you can listen lot of podcasts as free. So the students can access this only if the college have onboarded our application.
Got it. Yeah.
Got it, right? Now like this, I will approach both the colleges. Both the colleges will onboard. Like this, it will keep on X, Y, Z, H, A, B, C, D, all the colleges will onboarding. So each and every students in that colleges will have their set of goals. By completing set of um, goals, there will be lot of levels. Each level will have set of goals.
Okay.
Level 1 have 3 goals, and once they completed that 3 goals, level 1 will be get completed. Let's go to level 2. It will be get completed, and everything will be added as a points. That point will be added to the entire college. Now the things that is performed by the students in the X college, points will be counted to the entire college reward of that. X college will get that reward. Students also will get their own rewards. The average of the total rewards will be given to the college also.
Okay.
Same thing will be performed in Y. Like that, now we will show the comparison between the colleges in the leaderboard. The students' comparisons also can be shown. The colleges' comparison also can be shown. Now, with this comparison, we will show it to the companies, like corporate IT companies and everyone. This is the list where these are the colleges are in the top, where these are in top in our leaderboard because those college students are performing well. They are learning lot of going to they are used to doing all the goals which the goals which we setting, like they need to complete at least 3 events in a year. They need to complete 2 or 3 courses in a year. These are all going to be the goals. So if they are completing that, college also will get reward. Now college itself asks students to complete that. Because of that, college will get a benefit that they are going to be top in the leaderboard. That's going to be shown to the companies. Companies are again coming to that college to hire the people. Now companies also facing issues that they can't be able to find which colleges are performing well in particular district. See, you are in Delhi, right? Delhi or where?
Mumbai.
Mumbai, yeah, you are in Mumbai. I'm in Tamil Nadu. It's not possible for you to judge our colleges. So, but your application launch, it's very easy to you to understand which college in Tamil Nadu in my district is performing.
Got it.
So, yeah, this is the entire concept. The entire futures which going to be keep, and also we will do some gimmicks like first 3 sets of goals, like you need to achieve 500 followers, you need to give some 10 commands, you need to like this. So that's another to motivate them to use that. Some gimmicks will be there. That's your term. So everything will be connected to that leaderboard. So this, I think this you have understand this concept. And the final thing is, if someone have achieved a particular level, we will convert them a creator. Then they can become a creator.
Okay.
See, you have completed, we will set a goal, like already YouTube set us, you have to get hundreds of thousand subscriptions and you have to get 4,000 hours. Like that, we will set that you have to complete this much levels in this years. If you completed, then you can become a creator. That profile can be easily converted to creator once they have achieved that level. Then we will start giving revenue to them based on the ads. This is the concept. Then we will allow that creators to create courses and put it in our application. They can create their own podcast. So these things will be there.
Before any college is going to be a creator, so as an admin, you are planning to have all the podcast, all those things by yourself, right?
Initially, no. We are trying to speak with some third party persons who can allow us to integrate with us. So, in first version will be like that, because then that will be in separate industry. Podcast is a separate industry that costs on everything. So initially we will, but design we need to focus on, entire thing need to be designed. But initially the podcast and this career courses and everything we are going to be integrated from the outside. While launching, we will tell we have our partners. If you want to study there, study through our application. Go and apply through our application. Then that can be taken as a count that you have studied there. Then you have completed course there. So this is initially events, tweets, messages, jobs. Those things are not handled by us itself. So what LinkedIn is doing now, that we will do. But other than this, mentorship also we are going to do with ourselves. Other than this, we will mostly courses and podcasts we need to. I'm trying to speak with some of our regional language startups, so those we can integrate with them, collaborate with them, and we can. So that also will help us to increase our user base. So we can tell that we are collaborated with these startups who are all. I don't know whether you have heard about Cuckoo FM and Gooey.
I have. Yeah.
Yeah. Cuckoo FM is on. I am trying to collaborate for a podcast, and also Cuckoo, because they are all now brands also very famous. So if I go and tell that Gooey is integrated, collaborated with me, and Cuckoo FM is integrated with me, that user base itself going to convert as a user for something.
It is. So that's nice. Yeah.
And here there is another important thing is we will do verifications. So these are things I'm giving because you should not miss something. While design we have done, but in between I come and tell, then that will be not good, right? So there will be changes, but these are some things which we now fixed. There will be an verification for users. So see, initially we are going to onboard a college, but after once we reach to one level, it will not happen like that. Colleges will like to onboard in our applications.
That's right.
So they also want their students to be in our platform. So what they will do, they will send a request for us from website or somewhere. They have to send a request for us. We will look into the request. Then admin, there should be a screen where from persons our side need to look at a dashboard where our representative have to look and they have to verify. Once they verified, only that college will be get onboarded to our application.
Got it.
So there are multiple users and roles also. So there will be an Stunxt super admin who have all the access. Then there will be admin. Admin have only there will be some restrictions for admin. Then there will be representatives, Stunxt representatives. Then there will be Stunxt onboarded colleges. Then we have a Stunxt profile students also. So these types of roles are there. So we need to focus on those areas also. I'm sure there is no data for an education college to get that, because there is no any the things which they are performing inside a college are not public. They are keeping it a private thing. So still they are using some of the colleges are not at all digital and all. But if we get into that college, we can make the entire college a digital platform. So in future we can bring an platform where they can assign an assignment to a student through Stunxt application.